Hello fellow explorers. In front of us here we have Cleopatra's Needle. This is an obelisk and it's about 3,500 years old. It comes from Alexandria in Egypt and was transported to London in 1877. We're going to head over the river in a moment and we're going to take a closer look at it. So let's go. There we are, we're on the other side of the river. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe. It really does make a huge difference to the channel. Completely free to do so. Thank you very much. So we're going to head over the road now and take a closer look at this 3,500-year-old Egyptian obelisk. There are two sphinxes on either side of it. They should be facing the other way if they're guarding the treasure, but someone must have made a mistake 150 years ago and they're actually facing the obelisk. Here's one of the sphinxes up close. We've got the London skyline in the background. Some buses going over the bridge there, as you can see. Stay with me to the end of the video. I'll be showing you some benches with some sphinxes as handrests or armrests. There's some history on either side of the base of the obelisk, and as you can see there are lots of hieroglyphics on each side of the obelisk also. We have the London Eye in the background. Take a closer look there, some history about the obelisk itself. Now during the transportation from Egypt to the UK, there was a storm in the Bay of Biscay and 6 men lost their lives trying to save the obelisk. There was a bit of a delay in the transportation as well, but it finally arrived in the UK along the River Thames to its final resting spot here on the embankment. This is the other Sphinx with the London Eye in the background. Now forgive the noise, there is a helicopter above us. Here we go. Lovely, beautiful looking Sphinx there. And some more history on this side. Another view of the hieroglyphics on this side of the obelisk. You can see these marks, I'll explain those in a moment, these holes in the base. And as you can see, we are actually on the bank of the River Thames. There's access actually to the water here. We make our way around the back of the obelisk. And this here, this plaque here, actually names the 6 men that died during the transportation. Quite a beautiful sight. A lot of people just walk past this thing, not knowing it's actually there or the relevance of it. But yeah, it's quite an amazing thing having a 3,500-year-old treasure on the banks of the river. It's late afternoon now, so you can see the lights are on along the River Thames. This isn't too far from Covent Garden, so if you're around that area, please come and pay this obelisk a visit. And the skyline of London behind us as well. And there's the helicopter with the obelisk in shot. I wonder what the Egyptians would have thought about a helicopter when this was being built 3,500 years ago. We're going to make our way over to the other Sphinx now. where we'll explain about these damaged bases and the holes. There's a little plaque here, and basically a bomb dropped in 1917 during the First World War near the spot, and this is all shrapnel damage. So it damaged the bases of the sphinxes, the bases of the obelisk, not the obelisk itself, but as you can see there's some holes in the foot and the body of the sphinx caused by the shrapnel damage. There's quite a lot of damage to that base there, isn't there? There we go. London Eye in the background. Middle of London. And an Egyptian relic. We'll make our way over to the other Sphinx. We can see some damage on the base of the obelisk there. And there's only a small bit of damage on this base. Luckily enough, the Sphinx is intact. Just a little bit of damage on the base, as you can see. One final look at the obelisk. Quite remarkable, all the hieroglyphics all over it. And as promised, we're going to go past one of the benches near the obelisk, and as you can see the armrests are in the shape of sphinxes. Quite lovely. You could have a look out for these benches around London, because they do have different types of armrests. Some are swans or camels. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like and leave any comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.